In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from FanDuel to Cash App without a bank account. Start by opening the FanDuel app on your mobile device and logging into your account. From the home screen, tap on your account balance in the bottom right corner. This will take you to the account section. Now look for the option that says Withdraw Funds and tap on it. On the withdrawal page, you'll see different withdrawal methods. Since you don't have a bank account connected, choose PayPal as your withdrawal option. If you don't already have a PayPal account, go ahead and create one using the PayPal website or app. Make sure to verify your PayPal account so it's ready to use. Next, return to FanDuel and select PayPal as your method. Enter your PayPal email address, confirm the connection, and then type in the amount you want to withdraw from FanDuel. Tap Confirm to complete the withdrawal. Your funds will usually appear in PayPal within a few minutes to a few hours, depending on processing times. Now, open your PayPal app and check that the money has arrived. To move it to Cash App, you'll need a PayPal Cash Card linked to your PayPal account. If you don't already have one, request it directly in the PayPal app or on the website. It's free and usually arrives within a couple of weeks. Once you have your PayPal Cash Card, open Cash App and log in. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to Linked Banks or Linked Accounts and select Link Debit Card. Enter your PayPal Cash Card details and save them. After that, go back to your Cash App home screen. Tap on the bank icon in the bottom left corner and select Add Cash. Enter the amount you want to move from PayPal to Cash App. Confirm the transaction using your Cash App PIN or Face ID, and the funds will be instantly added to your Cash App balance. And that's how you withdraw money from FanDuel to Cash App without needing a traditional bank account.